Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Bamboo, and as we know that it is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to set up Bamboo Single Sign-on with custom OpenID Provider. Let's get started with the setup. On the Bamboo dashboard, navigate to Settings icon on the top right corner, and click on Manage Apps. Then click on Find New Apps. And search OAuth SSO in the search bar, and press Enter. Then click on Free Trial in the miniOrange plugin. Click on Install, click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. After activate the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth SSO configuration. In the Configure OAuth tab we will be covering custom OpenID app as an OpenID provider. Then enter the app name of your choice. Let's configure miniOrange's custom OpenID provider. You can use any other OpenID provider. Log into your miniOrange account. Then navigate the apps. Here we will be using Bamboo as our OAuth client. Here enter the client name of your choice. For redirect URL, go back to the plugin, and copy the callback URL, and paste it in the given field. In the Add Policy section, let the group name be default. Policy name is Bamboo Policy, and login method is password. You can also enable two-factor authentication and adaptive authentication here. Then click on Save. Your app has been configured successfully. Let's configure Bamboo's OpenID Client. Go to the Configure OAuth tab. You will find Client ID in the application that you created in your OpenID provider. Click on Select, and select Edit option. Then copy the Client ID, and paste it in the Client ID in the plugin. Similarly for Client Secret, go to your OpenID provider and click to reveal Client Secret. Then copy it, and paste it in the plugin. The configuration will vary for other OpenID providers. You can refer the setup guide for the configuration. In the Scope section, it is mandatory to enter OpenID, but we would also include email and profile, because miniOrange provides those scope. The Authorize endpoint, go back to miniOrange account, then copy Authorize endpoint, and paste it in the given field. Similarly you will find the access token and OAuth endpoints as token endpoints, copy, and paste it in the plugin. You can enter the logout URL as well, but it is optional. Roll down to Advanced Settings section. You need to select State Parameter. The state parameter is an extra parameter, sent in the authorization request to protect against XSRF attack. This parameter is required by the miniOrange OpenID provider. You can enable this field based on your OpenID provider. Then click on the Save. Your OAuth settings updated successfully. Then scroll down and click on Test Configuration. Log in using your miniOrange credentials. You can see Test Configuration here, along with first name, last name and email ID. After successful test connection you will get a SSO button on the Bamboo login page now. Click on Use OAuth Login button. Log into your miniOrange account. You will be logged into Bamboo dashboard using miniOrange credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can see the user's full name and email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.